If you are using retinol, this will be a very helpful video for you. So keep watching till the end. Hi and welcome to Peppy Sage. Today we are going to discuss the 5 retinol mistakes that can ruin your skincare routine. So retinol is an active ingredient and it can make or break your skin. I believe so, because if you use it in a way in which you shouldn't, then it is going to break your skin really bad that it will take some time to get into its own self. So it's better to know the do's and don'ts of retinol before you start using it. So retinol comes in very different forms like tretinoin, retinol and stuff like that. So currently I'm using a retinol from the Ordinary brand and it is 0.5% retinol in squalene. So that is the one I'm using. But if you go for higher versions of it, or if you are using medicated retinols, then you will see the flaking of your skin. If you don't take care of it properly, if you don't put attention on how you are applying that retinol onto your skin, it can literally damage your skin. So the first point which goes is applying too much retinol. I know every time we do something we think more is better, but it does not work like that with skincare or with retinol especially. If you are applying retinol, if it is in a liquid form, then just take 1 drop or 2 drop for your entire face, not more than that. You don't have to soak up your face with the retinol, liquid retinol. If it is a cream based retinol, just take a pea amount of that retinol in your fingertip here. Just a pea amount, just a little pea amount, not a big pea amount. It should be a small little pea amount on your fingertip. Then you should apply it as dots on your face entirely and slowly massage it onto your skin. The third mistake which people do is putting it around your eyes. So the area on your face which you need to avoid while putting retinol on your face is this area. If you put it in your eye socket here, your skin is going to peel off from here, and that peeling will be very difficult and it won't look nice, and for the whole day, for the entire time, you'll feel that your skin is very tight around your eyes and that will be discomfortable. Even it can give you allergies or kind of stuff. You can get swollen eyelids or swollen under eye area because that area is very soft and supple. Even we don't give our we don't touch this place with ultimate pressure. So you can imagine that if that place is pulled, how will you feel? So please don't apply it under your eyes or on your eyelids. Just refrain from this eye socket area, and otherwise you can apply on all your face. So one quick tip of when you are applying your retinol, how to protect your under eye and your eyelid is to use petroleum jelly. Eye cream might not work here because they get absorbed into your skin. So before you apply retinol on your face, try and apply, just take like very little amount of it, of petroleum jelly, any kind of petroleum jelly that you have, and apply it in your eye socket, underneath your eye and on your eyelids. So don't massage it too much, just let the product be on the skin, like it doesn't need to get absorbed. We just want to protect it because when we are applying the retinol on our face, it is not getting absorbed in this area because the petroleum jelly is protecting it. The third mistake which most of the people do is not following retinol with a thick moisturizer. I recommend you using a very thick moisturizer after using retinol. You must have seen those videos where people are peeling their dead skin while they use retinol. Yes, that's a result. But I think that if you use a double heavy moisturizer on top of it after applying retinol, it is going to peel off, but not in that ugly way or in that painful way. It will go off of its own. You won't understand that your skin is peeling. Yes, you will understand around your nose, your mouth area, or somewhere where you have literally dry skin patches. But then that will be very soft. When you go to take a shower, then it will automatically come off. You don't have to rub it, you don't have to pull it, you don't have to hide your face for a week or so. No, it's not going to be like that if you apply a thick moisturizer every time you put a retinol on your face. So here I will recommend a cream which is by Aveeno. This is the Skin Relief moisturizer which I use. Believe me, it is thick, very thick moisturizer, and every night when I put retinol, I follow this moisturizer cream with this after applying my retinol like a religion. I cannot miss that out. All the products I'm talking about in this video, I will link it in the description box in case you want to check it out. So after you put retinol, you have to apply this thick kind of a cream. Now we come to the fourth mistake, which is not using sunscreen while wearing retinol. The difficult part is when we are doing these kind of treatment on our face, it is not a regular thing like a cleaning, moisturizing stuff. It is a treatment for your skin, and this makes your skin very sensitive. You can understand that your skin is peeling. The beneath the layers are getting exposed of your skin, so it is very sensitive to heat or extensive light or UV rays. So when you are going out or you are staying at home, there could be blue lights from your devices which you use, or there you are going out or you are cooking even, you have to wear a sunscreen no matter whatever you are doing. So make it a compulsory routine that once you wake up and wash your face and get ready, put that sunscreen on your face no matter you go out or you stay in your house. The fifth and the last point is over exfoliating your skin. So over exfoliation can happen in two ways. One is physical exfoliation and the second one is through chemical exfoliation. If we talk about retinol, it is a very strong exfoliating agent and an active agent which is a chemical exfoliator. Like chemical, I mean to say, like if you are using any AHA, BHA solution on your skin, or anything else which helps you peel out your dead skin, like the lactic acid solution. So these are the things which help to remove the dead cells from the surface of your skin. So it is recommended, don't use two exfoliating agents together on your skin. If you want to skip on your retinol, then you can use like lactic acid, which is a mild exfoliant, but using two things together can again damage your skincare routine to a large extent. And when it comes to physical exfoliation, when we go to the shower, we think we have to rub our skin to get the best out of it. Don't do that. Just be very gentle, very, very, very gentle with your skin. Don't rub your skin hard. Don't use any kind of exfoliating tools on your skin, and it will be literally good for your skin. Even when you see those flakes coming out, don't try to pull those flaky skins out, but instead try and moisturize it so that it goes off of its own naturally. Keep yourself hydrated a lot, drink a lot of water while you are using retinol, and these are the tips which I wanted to share with you. I can make a part 2 of this one because there are so many don'ts with retinol and I would love to share that with you. If you want to see such video again, please write that to me in the comment section below. I will see you in my next video. I love you all and bye-bye.